How do you say dad in China?
那个
Yeah, my nigga. Boys and girls, you know what the rule is, you know? I go on the street, I get my guests to sing a song from their country, something authentic from their country, a song you don't hear any other place but their country. And then I sing something from my heritage. I'm originally from Nigeria. I sing something tribal, you know. I always like to go about tribal song. Most of the time my guests don't know what they're singing about, but they are nailing it. They share something from their country, I share something from mine, and it just makes the world a better place. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get right into it. It's not working. Let's get right into it. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tithe Show, the show that's keeping it real way from the Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it is inspirational. And I'm here with beautiful
Eleni
from
Cyprus.
Cyprus in the house.
Okay, now I will sing for you a traditional Cypriot song. Eşevere nanna varava strongevere miti. Mestus vuruvu sefta varava plani virivites yavara vuruvurudamu. Trialalalalalalalalala. Trialalalalalala. Okay, that's it, I think.
So we're going to be going nzobu nzobu eyimba eyi nzobu eyimba eyi eyi eyimba eyi nzobu eyimba. And China in the house. Woo!
3、2、1，苍茫的天涯是我的爱，绵绵的青山脚下花盛开。什么样的节奏是最呀最摇摆？什么样的歌声才是最开怀？Can we change the song?
We have all day.
北齐门前大桥下有过一群鸭，快来快来数一数，2、4、6、7、8，咕嘎咕嘎，真呀真多呀，数不清到底多少呀，数不清到底多少呀，嘿嘿。
Eyimba eyi.
Eyimba.
Hey, thank you. So now I go nzobu nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
Nzobu.
Eyin.
Nzobu nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
Nzobu.
Eyin.
Nzobu nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
Nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
Nzobu nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
Nzobu.
Eyimba eyi.
I am here with
İrem. Şeyma.
and they are from Turkey.
Daha dün annemizin kollarında yaşarken çiçekli bahçemizin yolu.
That sounds like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
Maybe. Yeah, little one.
And that's from Turkey, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Who's gonna believe that?
So, yeah, like a baby.
Yeah, baby song.
Yes.
Dandini dandini dastana, danalar girdi bostana, kov bostancı danayı, yemesin lahanayı.
Nzobu nzobu
Eyimba, eyim.
Nzobu
Eyimba, eyim.
Nzobu nzobu
Eyimba, eyim.
Nzobu nzobu
Eyimba,
Nzobu nzobu
eyimba,
Nzobu
eyimba,
nzobu nzobu.
eyimba.
That's it for this edition of Folkways. Boys and girls, tune in next time for fantastic videos. If you do like it, give us a thumbs up and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe. This is your boy Tithe. This Tithe Show, the show that's keeping it real way from Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it is inspirational. See you next time, boys and girls. Out.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you're kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding. I can't pin you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. Hands underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. Ooh, yeah. All of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. This is Ty Samuel's show. Stay tuned.